Hey everybody, welcome to the King Metal YouTube channel. I'm Jimbo. You know, King Metals offers a wide variety of metal decor and fabrication products. Here's your catalog, their 2023 catalog. If you don't have one of these, I'd suggest you try to get one. I have one here in the shop. You can see that I've got stuff marked that I regularly order from. And you can see that there's just tons of everything that you would ever need in here for metal fabrication. It's a great book to have. All of these products are available online as well. Today we're going to be talking about decorative collars for banisters, handrails, and fence pickets. All right, so what we have here are half collars. Now these two right here are half collars for base plates top and bottom. Now these would be used for if you're putting something up against a flat surface or maybe connecting rectangular tubing together. So again, top and bottom of the rails and then midway rails as well here. They also have them full collars all the way around. You slide these over top of the tube. Now these come in various sizes from 1/2 inch all the way up to maybe 1 inch square tube. And they're designed to slide over the top as well. Now this would be used for gates or handrails or balusters that would be seen from both sides. All right, these things come in different sizes. So depending on the size picket you're using for your gate, fence, handrail, or baluster, be sure you get the right size that's going to accommodate your pickets. All right, now let me show you an example of how I would install something like this. All right, so here's what would be representing a top and bottom rail of either a handrail, gate, fence, baluster, and this what would be, let's say a picket that would be in between. Now you're gonna have several of these spaced probably 4 inches apart from each other. I'm just using this as an example of how maybe these things might be used. Again, if this was up against a flat surface in the back, this is the base plate right here, and top plate and base plate, they would go on something like this, and then this would be welded here in the center, and of course you would have a multiple amount of these, and this would be welded. For me, I'd be welding these from the back side so you wouldn't see any weld up in the front, and this gives you a good nice decorative finish. For those of you who are using handrails that are exposed from both sides, that is where the solid ones come in. This slides over the top, and then these of course get welded on, and then they'll have these as well on solid and all solid round pieces as well, and they can be welded on. So the same thing, either half back or solids. All right, so there's all kinds of, there's different ways of doing this, I guess. The obvious one would be something like this. But then maybe you want to stagger them. Maybe you want to have one up here, one down there. Maybe you want to have two in the center, depending on how long your handrail is or gate is. Or maybe you want to alternate them. So there's lots of different ways of using these. All right, these half collars can also be used as full collars around some rectangular tubing. Here's an example. I've got some 1 inch by 1/2 inch rectangular tube, and you can stick these on here like this, and this could become a base plate for rectangular tubing as well. Just another example of how these collars can be used. I hope these products are helpful to you, and maybe you can use them in some upcoming projects you may have. All of this stuff's available at kingmetals.com. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.